Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to keep wasps away from your pool. This video will guide you on the most effective ways to keep those unwanted guests away and prevent them from infesting your pool. So stick around for the best guide. First, clean up any spills. Wasps are attracted to spills from food, sugary drinks, or snacks. If you had a poolside snack or picnic, it is important to remove any remnants by immediately cleaning them up. Use a paper towel or cloth to wipe the area. You can also vacuum or sweep any crumbs or food that you see on your floor. Use a bit of cleaner to ensure no residue is left. Use enclosures and pool covers. A tight-fitting pool cover prevents wasps from accessing your pool, especially when you are not using it. You should check to ensure it has no gaps that can act as a passage for wasps. Install a screened enclosure for extra protection. You can also opt for a dark-colored cover to minimize sunlight reflection, which can attract wasps. Avoid sweet fragrances. Wasps are attracted to sugary and floral scents. You can use unscented suntan lotions or sunscreens when hanging around or inside your pool. You can also opt for unscented shampoo before you use the pool. To keep wasps further away, plant flowers far from your pool. Use diesel fuel. The odor of diesel fuel strangely attracts wasps. Pour some diesel into a small bottle and place it close to wherever they congregate or a wasp nest. You may begin to see them flying directly into the bottle so that they can get a taste. As days elapse, you will have caught so many, you won't have to worry about them invading your pool. Provide an alternative source of water. An alternative source of water is another effective way of keeping wasps away. Make a water station far away from the pool. You can try filling a bird bath or shallow dish with water. Add some marbles or pebbles for the comfortable landing of wasps. Ensure you regularly refresh the water station to keep it attractive to them. So there you have it. Keeping wasps away from your pool should be very easy so that you can enjoy swimming. If you have any questions or comments, ensure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.